So welcome students. So in this question, you're asked to find the sum of all the values of x which satisfy this equation. Tan inverse of x plus 2 plus tan inverse of x minus 2 is equal to tan inverse half. So let us try to solve this question. So tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is tan inverse of a plus b is x plus 2 plus x minus 2 by tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus the product of these two is x square minus 4. So this is equal to tan inverse of half. So now tan inverse and tan inverse gets cancelled. So minus 2 and plus 2 gets cancelled. So 2x divided by 1 plus 4, which is 5 minus x square, is equal to 1 by 2. This implies 4x is equal to 5 minus x square. This implies x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 5 or 1. X is equal to minus 5 or 1. So now in the question you are asked to find the sum of values of x. So if you directly do minus 5 plus 1, the answer need not be right, because this equation is valid only in some situations. That is, if the sum of these two numbers lie in the range of the tan inverse. If that is so, then this will be equal to this. I can directly write the equation and I can solve it. Because this equation is not always valid, there are some limitations to this, to the validity of this formula. So what I do is, once I get the solutions, I need to check whether the solutions are valid or not. So if you take x is equal to minus 5, so on the LHS you are getting tan inverse of minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 plus tan inverse of minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So obviously tan inverse of minus 3 is a negative number, is a negative angle, and tan inverse of minus 7 is also a negative angle. The sum of two negative angles will be a negative angle, but tan inverse of half is a positive angle. So x equal to minus 5 is not a valid solution to this equation. And if you put x is equal to 1, so tan inverse of 3 plus tan inverse of minus 1. So tan inverse of minus 1 will be minus pi by 4, and tan inverse of 3 will be an angle which is more than pi by 4, because tan inverse of plus 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse of plus 3 is a positive number which is greater than pi by 4. So the sum of these two is a positive number which lies in the range. Hence, this will be equal to tan inverse of half. So out of minus 5 and 1, only 1 will be the solution to this question. So there is only one value of x which satisfies the solution. So sum of the values of x should be equal to 1. Thank you.